So Google Classroom. I have never even seen Google Classroom before. So I'm going to create it just to show you how easy I think it's going to be to create it. I'm using this on my iPhone. I have literally never logged into it. I have only just heard about it. But this is to show you that it's going to be pretty easy to create a classroom. So I've done a Google search for Google Classroom. So I've gone into Chrome and then Google Classroom. Click on there, Google Classroom. And now it's asking me, do I want to try another account or I'm using this exact account? I'm going to use this account. And now I'm going to create a class or join a class. So usually I imagine you're going to be joining somebody else's class, but I'm going to be creating a class. Create class here. And the class is going to be called Google Classroom, how to. Okay? And the section, now, do I need to keep the section? Right, beginning. Beginning. Whoa! Beginning Google Classroom. Oh, this is pretty cool. So this is kind of like an alternative to Zoom, right? How to create a class on mobile. Okay, so this will be apply for the iPhone. The room, I don't know what room that means. So I'm just going to say Anthony's room here. Whoop. Anthony's room. And then I'm just going to say create. And you can see that it's creating a class. And once that's done, hooray, hooray, beginning the class. I've got a class code there. And now, what's the next thing we do? Well, we want to invite others to the class, I imagine. So how do you do that? We're going to go, I can share something with my class. Okay, I've got a Meet link. I could generate a Meet link. And so what that means is I'm going to add with Meet video meetings, you can connect with students for distance learning. You can manage Meet in your class settings. So what that all means is that you're sending them a link so that they can join your class. Okay, got it. Understand. And now here is where the class gets more interesting. And I'm going to skip that for here. I could make this. I could put in a little photo here. You know what the Google Classroom is about. Take that off my phone. I could go and create a photo here. I could take a photo, and then that will just give it a bit more personality. And what that also does is it makes people realize, oh yeah, I'm in the right place. Okay, and so you can create and schedule announcements. So, hey, we're going to be holding this class every Wednesday at 10 a.m. And in this time zone. And then you can respond to student posts. I'm not going to do that. We can look on Classwork. So this is where you can create classwork. Oh, I like this. Okay, because what I can do is I can create a video. You can see this video button here. Right, and so I can create a video, which also could be me creating it right now, or more likely you're going to be doing this on a laptop and you're going to be uploading an existing video. I've got documents here. I've got a calendar entry that I can create. So this is all pretty good. Let me go back into, where am I? Whoa. So let me go back here. So I can create the calendar entry and I can access folders here. And then finally people, so that's who the students are, who it is that I am inviting. And I can invite them just by giving them that class code. Now there's some other things here that I can put on, settings here, which are the class details. You've already seen those. Okay, around the class code. Can students post and comment? Now, if you've got a big class or if you don't know the students, if you're worried that there are going to be people coming in who are going to be putting stuff that you don't want to see, you don't want to see in the class, then you can turn off. So this is a little bit of a security thing, okay? Students can comment, but they can't post, or else we just leave it up to the teachers who can do the posting and commenting, okay? And then the classwork on the stream, what's all that mean? Okay, so that's when you've got notifications for your class about what's going on, what's happening, and then that's it. Generating meet. Oh my goodness, you can grade your students as well. Wow, this is pretty nice. So all of this is a bit of overkill for me as a business owner, but I've just shown you that you can create a Google class, even though I've never even seen it before, and it's not because I'm technically brilliant. I'm just saying they have made it really, really easy to do. So I'll upload this video now onto YouTube and see if it helps anybody. If you haven't subscribed to my channel,